I'm Anthony. I'm here with LPI to tell you about LT3 Raptor. This is our new software that's designed to work with the existing trusted hardware that leading companies have been using to measure in the field to get the fastest production-ready drawings. We've got new features that take that concept further into your shop with tools to organize your shop, make your saws and machines run faster than ever, and increase productivity in programming. We're so proud of these features that we're also proud to announce that we won the 2023 Stone Expo Best in Show for Technology. So let's jump in and show you a little bit. I'm gonna start with just a quick little template. I'm all set up. We're gonna capture some lines. You'll see our screen has an updated layout. And I'll just pop around the kitchen real quick. Again, this system is really easy to use and easy to learn. That's one of the ways that our customers have had a ton of success. This is often the first CAD platform that companies will use when they go digital. It's a really easy way to learn. So I'm just gonna pop around this kitchen and grab points that represent my cabinet faces. So if you're used to physical templating, we're copying that same process just with a different tool. So in just a couple clicks, I've captured all the cabinet faces. I'm gonna switch over to a different color. We'll call this an edge style. Now that I've captured the cabinet faces, I wanna scribe the wall. So we can capture all the details so that your tops fit right the first time. Our Bluetooth connection allows for faster response with a laser with every measurement. Again, this is the same laser that you may have been using for years. I've got the cabinets and walls captured. What I want to do next is show you a new feature that we have for our range opening. I'm going to come to capture and then opening. I want to set the exact width. Now these cabinets aren't at the ideal width. We've got a little bit extra room, but we're going to let the software do the math for us. This is a great way to reduce remakes and make it easier to train new techs for the field. And in just a few operations, I've got proper geometry, we've reduced the chances for remakes, and we're moving on to the next thing. I've got a quick centerline capture. Now I'll start adding overhangs around the rest of my drawing. Quick, easy editing features. Now, something else that we're really excited about is we want your saws, your saw jets to run faster in the shop. If I'm gonna put splash in this kitchen, it's just a few clicks, and then we wanna clean up that geometry. I want you to see how easy that can be. I've got a quick splash miter tool. It's really easy for me to make a 4-inch, and with a single touch, I've got those splash drawn in. Now we're gonna use a new set of features called Scribe Line. We've got a few different options. We aren't here to tell you how to work. We wanna give you the tools to work the way that you do and work faster than ever. I'm gonna use an offset with taper. I select the line, I hit done, and what we see is the software found a bump in the wall and allows for a clean amount of takeoff from the wall where your cut line will hit the high point of the wall and then taper back in at the finished edges for faster install, and in one big rip, you've got the stone off the saw. I'll quickly draw in a seam line. And we've got a whole bunch of different automatic seam options where it's very easy to add and update the geometry. An updated rotate tool. We also know that the template is more than just red, blue, and green lines on your screen. We want all of the relevant job details so your installers have success and you have happy customers. We've expanded photos so you can attach photos to each drawing page. Expanded all the job details notes, expanded customer agreements so you can document everything needed for a successful project. Every step of the operation, every step of the process, we've thought about the user and made this faster and easier. Now, I've got a finished template. Instead of having to upload to some other cloud service or emailing a drawing and allowing for potential revision errors where a customer changes a drawing and the wrong DXF gets pulled, as a templater, I could be totally finished. I can mark the job as approved and save the work. And right away in one touch, I can sync the job to the cloud and the office will have this in minutes. So now, let's imagine we're in the office and we want to produce this project. So, in this screen, we have some new options such as a job manifest export. If you've ever had an install crew leave parts behind for an install that's 2 hours away, this might help. Instantly, the software will create a PDF. It will separate all of your parts, auto-dimension, and allow you to track all the parts you need for that job. Never leave a splash behind again. Another great, easy feature is what we call Stone Tag. In just a click, I can select any appropriate drawing pages and have production decals that you can apply to your parts and track in the shop. It's faster than anything else out there. The software can do all these features because we have what's called template intelligence. They're not just dumb red and blue and green lines. The software knows what to do with each geometry to help make your work faster. We've got one more great thing to show you. I'm gonna go into our nesting engine. This is a brand new feature that we're really excited to share. We've got companies that are using this to really improve their workflows. Let's just pretend we've got a white quartz. We've got different options available here, but really quickly, really easily, I can take multiple pages. The software will automatically take those parts and nest it in a slab. Now, if I zoom in, we're gonna see something really cool. These parts have additional geometries if you have a saw and a CNC router. Each type of geometry can have a different amount of offset for takeoffs and tool kerfs throughout your fabrication process. This software is designed to make every step in your digital workflow faster for those people that are hard to find. Let's not have them do those repetitive clicks. Let's let the software do those steps so your people can work faster, get more work done, and you can have a more efficient operation. We're going to continue to listen to all the feedback on how you work to continue to make this software better. For more information, go to LT3Raptor.com. The digital templating evolution begins now.